Today we're going to complete the Sum It Up, Brain Check, and Apply Concepts pages from your Objects in the Sky booklet. So go ahead and turn to page 300 and find your pencil. Pause your video until you're ready to come back and join us. Number 1, solve it. Solve the riddle. I am a tool. I make things look bigger. You can use me to observe things in the sky. What am I? So I want you to stop here. You can pause your video, look back through your booklet to find that tool that you could use to look at things in the sky and make them look bigger. Write the name of it here. Number 2, circle it. Circle true or false. Stars are evenly spaced in the sky. Is that true or false? Stars give off their own light. Is that true or false? Down at the bottom, number 3 says draw it. Draw what you can see in the sky at both times. So what can you see in the daytime sky? And what can you see in the nighttime sky? Pause your video until you're done with your drawings, and then we'll move on. Unscramble the letters to complete each sentence. So there are words here that are scrambled up, and here they are spelled correctly. The blanks will each get one letter. So for each word, we can first count the blanks to decide if we're going to need a big word or a small word. We also have all the letters we can use right here. So they've given us lots of clues. The first one says, the blank is a large ball of rock. Unscramble these letters and write one per line to spell one of these words correctly. The blank is a large ball of rock. Next we have a blank gives off its own light. Here are your letters scrambled up. One of these words is spelled correctly. A blank gives off its own light. Next we have a blank, and this is a long word. A blank is a tool for making things look bigger. Here are your scrambled letters. Here are your words spelled correctly. A blank is a tool for making things look bigger. Next we have the blank is the star we see in the day. I only see 3 letters here, 3 mixed up letters here. Only one of these words has 3 letters. Write it on the blank. The blank is the star we see in the day. And the last one, to blank is to make things look bigger. Take a look at your mixed up letters, and you should only have one word left up here. Write it on the line one letter at a time. To blank is to make things look bigger. Alright, for our last page, we're going to be completing a Venn diagram. And we're going to start right here in the middle where it says both. In this spot, we are going to write the things that we can see in both the daytime and the nighttime sky. So if you can see the sun in the day and at night, write it here. If you can see stars in the day and at night, write it here. If you could see clouds in the day and at night, write it here. If you could see the moon in the day and at night, write it here. There are 2 answers that I could see you putting right here. After you have written those words down, mark them out. You won't use them again. You can pause your video until you're ready to move on to daytime and nighttime. Now, for this part under daytime sky, you're going to write the one thing that you can only see in the daytime. Do you only see the sun, the stars, the clouds, or the moon in the daytime sky? Write that word here and then mark it out. There's also one word that tells what you can only see in the nighttime sky. Is that sun, stars, clouds, or moon? It should be the only word you have left. Write it here. Now that you're done filling in your Venn diagram, for the last thing we're going to do, it says draw a nighttime sky full of stars. So you can draw what the sky looks like at night down here at the bottom.